Come to Tameron Gulf Coast and check out this pre-owned 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT CREW CAB that's factory certified. On the exterior, we have power and heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather interior for 5 with heated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2017 GMC Sierra has less than 68,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.